Hi everyone. I will especially welcome you to today's live trading session. So I just want to check if my audio is fine because of the few experiences I've had in a few days. So I'm still trying to see how I can rectify that. Okay. I'm still trying to see how I can rectify that. Right. So I've confirmed we have audio, so we're good to go. So quickly, I'm going to be trading with you live, and I'm going to guide you with my market perception and the directional bias of which I have in the market today. Also, I'm gonna like that you send out this link to all of your contacts. Let them know that we're live. So if you have new traders, pro traders, um, aspiring traders, any category of traders in your contacts, please share the live link to them. Tell them to join me live now. As in this live video, I'm going to be giving out much value, much details about trading. So quickly, I'm going to share my screen now. I was sharing to my contacts, and I thought you should do the same. So I'm going to share my screen immediately and just take you through my chart. So this is my screen, and this is the dollar index. So I'm going to just discuss with you briefly on the dollar index. So here is the dollar index. If you can remember, I did a top down with you last week, showing you from the 1 week time frame that there was a recent break of structure here that may just allow that the dollar index goes bearish in a short time in the 1 week time frame. And in the 24-hour time frame, you could see it clearer. The break of structure is just here. That's the most recent. Okay, so on the upside, we don't really have any break of structure to use as directional bias apart from this. So we can only expect okay, so this is the bullish retracement, of which if we find any bearish confirmation now, it will be good to go bearish on the dollar index. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, which is now trading time frame, you'll see what I mean. So here is the bearish move, which may just stop just somewhere around here. And all I need is bearish confirmation. So this is it. This is the bearish move. Here is the bearish move. And now there is no move because what we have here is consolidation. So for me personally, like I said, I'm going to be waiting for bearish moves. Otherwise, any other move will be counter trading. Okay? Because of this support zone or supply zone. So I'm expecting the price should in this zone give me some kind of confirmation to go on bearish move. And if for any reason this is confirmed, then I'm going to be doing the vice versa for GU. And as you can see, it's valid. So the GU has its most recent break of structure on this side. And this one here, okay, so this one here confirms that GU might just go bullish a little while, at least to this. Okay, so I get that full confirmation on dollar index and I do this with GU. Okay, once I have a proper market structure shift, be coming in this direction with GU. Once I get my confirmation in my entry time frame, and I'm going to repeat the same thing with the new I'm going to repeat the same thing with EU. This is now Expo because these are pairs that I discussed with the VIP community. I'm going to do that with EU. I'm going to do that with GU. I'm going to do that with AU. I'm going to do that with NZDU or NU. So you see, all those pairs are directly proportional to the dollar index. Just to give you a bit of an insight, the Bitcoin is not yet buying because some of you wonder why is it not buying yet. On the 1 week time frame, the most recent break of structure on the swing side is on the bullish side, which is this, okay? But now there is an internal break of structure for the pullback, as you can see, and that confirms bearish move, okay, at least to this level. So Bitcoin is bearish on the 1 week time frame. So we go down to the 24-hour time frame until the now. On the 24-hour time frame, you see that the most recent is even here, okay, of which after this it took out this low, making that one now invalid, giving us a new one and confirming the bearish move. Okay, so now if for any reason, because it's in a strong demand zone, the Bitcoin gives us some kind of market structure shift here, it could be good to go bullish because the internal pullback is on a strong demand zone. But when we go into our entry time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, sorry, our confirmation time frame, we will find that the swing break of structure is, let's look at it like this. The swing break of structure is still bullish, except for the internal pullback. So even on the 4-hour, this break of structure here confirms that if we have a structure shift from this side, we can go bullish at least up until this side, okay, or this zone. These two zones are the bullish confirmation zones. Once these zones are taken out, then we'll be expecting this this lower high to be taken out as well before we can confirm the bullish move on the Bitcoin. So let there be a break of structure here before we confirm here or here. Okay, so that's what I'm saying on the Bitcoin. So it won't be wise selling the Bitcoin on this strong demand zone yet until we're sure that these market structure shifts will fail. And then for the Japanese yen basket, the Japanese yen basket is not yet giving a clear directional bias, which in the 1 week time frame has a bearish confirmation. You go to the 24-hour time frame, it has a bearish confirmation. You go to the confirmation time frame, there's the 4-hour, it has a bearish confirmation. But it's on a strong demand zone, as you can see. So it's a very key zone to pay close attention to. Otherwise, you might just be making some kind of wrong decisions. So we're going to find that that zone is properly mitigated before we can confirm that we go bearish. How do we do that? So we're going to our entry time frame. We're going to find that all of these zones have been mitigated. We're going to find that we have a complete, this is it. So once this place is shifted fully, then we can ascertain that we could actually go bearish on the shorts with the Japanese basket, and if that's confirmed, what it means is we're going to repeat that with buying this. We're going to find the bullish confirmation on this. Okay, and we're going to repeat this too with EJ. Where is EJ? We're going to repeat it with AJ, EJ. Repeat it with EJ, AJ, GJ, and NJ. And for gold, I always tell you it's very volatile. Just be careful. 24-hour bullish, as you can see, 4-hour. 4-hour just gives us a bullish but bearish pullback, which is this. So, okay, taking out this, yeah, bearish here. So 4-hour gives us bearish. So if we find any bearish confirmation on gold, since this was not taken out, then we're going to find bearish move. Okay, it's best to go bearish on gold. So any of this confirmation I have, I'm going to be giving updates. But take note, the gold is on the VIP group. So if you're not on the VIP group, you can join. Okay, just get our VIP Signal subscription and you'll be there. And then the free group is where we're gonna have GU. Okay. Now sometimes I give even some of the VIP Signal as a bonus. So if that happens, then you get it. Otherwise, then you should join the VIP community. So this is all I'm going to take today. Stay active on the channels, on the groups, so I can give you proper updates on what steps and what moves to take. See you during the updates or during the next weekly live trading session. Have a great week.